So I'm just gonna cut the lettuce in half. I'm going to use a salad spinner, but if you don't have a salad spinner, you can just get a big bowl and do the same thing. Now, if you're wondering if I separate every single leaf, the answer is no. They're all kind of in there because I like to use these as is for cups. Now, these loose leaves right here, I just stick them at the bottom. The idea is to get all of this soaked with water and vinegar. Next, I'm gonna pour about a cup of white vinegar into the bowl, followed by enough water to just fill the rest. I'm going to give this a quick mix and let the lettuce soak for just a few minutes. By the way, the lettuce is not going to taste like vinegar. It's going to help it stay fresh, crispy, which is exactly what we want for salad. Now, all you have to do is drain the water and rinse. Now, if you're using a salad spinner, this is the fun part. Now, if you're wondering if your salad spinner actually did its job, let's see how much water it got. It took some out. What do you think? What other foods do you struggle to prep? Leave a comment below, and while you're down there, click that red subscribe button. A new video comes out every single week.